Hello, beautiful people! Welcome back to the channel. If you love crochet fashion and you're looking for beautiful handmade inspiration, then you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing a stunning collection of the most attractive and cute summer crochet dress patterns that are perfect for 2026. Whether you're an experienced crocheter or just starting your crochet journey, these designs are sure to inspire your next project. As you watch this collection, you'll discover a variety of crochet dress styles, from elegant long dresses to adorable short dresses, stylish beach cover-ups, and trendy casual outfits. Every design highlights the creativity, beauty, and timeless charm that only handmade crochet can offer. One of the best things about crochet dresses is their versatility. They are lightweight, breathable, and incredibly comfortable, making them perfect for warm summer days, vacations, beach trips, outdoor events, or simply enjoying everyday style. With the right colors and yarn, you can create a dress that perfectly matches your personality and fashion sense. Take a close look at the different stitch patterns, color combinations, and unique details featured in each design. Some dresses feature delicate lacework, while others showcase beautiful granny square patterns, floral motifs, textured stitches, or modern geometric designs. These creative details make every crochet dress unique and special. If you're making a crochet dress for yourself, a family member, or as a thoughtful handmade gift, these ideas can help spark your creativity. You can easily customize the length, sleeves, neckline, and colors to create something truly one of a kind. Crochet fashion continues to grow in popularity because handmade clothing never goes out of style. A carefully crafted crochet dress reflects patience, creativity, and craftsmanship. Every stitch tells a story, and every finished piece becomes something to be proud of. As you continue watching, let us know in the comments which crochet dress is your favorite. We'd love to hear which design inspired you the most, or which one you'd like to make next. Your feedback helps build a wonderful community of crochet lovers from around the world. If you're enjoying this collection, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest crochet inspiration. We regularly share beautiful crochet dress ideas, glosses, granny square projects, home decor, baby outfits, lace patterns, and many more creative crochet designs. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We hope this collection gives you plenty of inspiration for your next crochet masterpiece. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the wonderful art of crochet. Have a fantastic day, happy crocheting, and we'll see you in the next video.